one? You want to start with the service or the passenger over here?
Either's fine. We can start with the regular one.
Might as well.
That's this one here, right?
Uh-huh. That one just answered an up call on the first floor.
The south elevator for the sky bridge. Goes all the way up to the fourth floor, though. Get a picture of this while we're waiting. I'm totally gonna dump this train here.
Oh, there is an elevator I gotta show you.
Oh, okay.
It's like literally right across the street from my dorm, but not in the, it's in the tennis courts across the street from me.
Okay. Here, I'm gonna get the cab view from the outside.
There's a view.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's the, that gray building is the one with the high-rise US in there.
Yeah. Can I get
And then
the,
in there is,
cab view?
oh yeah, sorry boss.
I
Which
got
is also,
Sam view as well.
there's our Nathan view.
Yep.
It's funny, both of these elevators serve B, but the B in that elevator over there is basement, and the B in this elevator is the bridge.
It's kind of funny.
It is, it's weird.
My focus is really weird right now. On these indicators, it's always so hard to get a decent focus on them.
Alright, to this elevator now.
Are we gonna do it in one video? Or?
If you, I'm gonna do mine in one video if you want to do yours in two.
And restart.
This one's like the service elevator, but like they don't care if people use it.
Yeah, it's technically just like a regular. All of them are the same inside. Let's see. So 4 is unlocked.
Oh,
Oh, we push down.
B is.
So B and
BR used to be unlocked.
Now they're not. So we'll push 4.
4R, 2R, and BR are locked.
Ours is not. So basically all the rear door floors and the basement.
Yes.
Oh, come on, this indicator is so hard to focus on. I mean, like, I can do it, but there's, like, reflections. So they just blind it.
Yeah. Back up on the 4th floor, and the other elevator is right there.
I'll get my look at this one's cab.
Oh.
And, okay, that does work. And Sam. And we'll get our picture.
Are you starting, did you take a second video or?
Yeah, I actually.
Ah, look at Nathan.
Because why not? They're technically 2 separate elevators with 2 separate capacities and all that, so.
That's fair enough.
When they're the same type, I'll usually put them in one, but they're different, so.
Yeah.
I'll make them different.
This one's elevator 3. I assume the hydrofit is elevator 2.
Yeah, because elevator 1 is over
Yeah.
on the other side.
That's it.